What is up, YouTube, DTube, Steam blockchain? Today I want to unbox a new phone. It was some time ago I did this because my last phone, the Galaxy S8, I did not buy the Galaxy S9 because I didn't really see a need for it. I wasn't impressed. But then my Galaxy S8 got kind of slow and need to sort of upgrade. So Galaxy S10 Plus, 128 gigabyte silver edition. Let's see. And I do this used unboxing video a little bit quick here because just to try it out. IP68 wireless, dual pixel, super speed dual pixel. I mean, it has a lot. Quad HD dynamic. Let's see if I can focus here. Quad HD plus dynamic AMOLED, 6.3 inch and 6.4 inch full rectangle. Okay, that's it. I'm very curious about the camera. So let's see if I can do this pretty quick. I'm just gonna take this one down. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's it. Oh yeah, we need to sort of, I think we need to open up this one as well. So I'm just gonna do that. It's gonna take... There we go. Oh, oops. I wonder if this one is too big. Wow, that is big. Oh my god. Oh, I remember doing these videos 2013 or 2012. I did these videos 2012 with the Galaxy S3 and it was a magical device. Oh my god. That is slim. First thing I can feel is it feels extremely good in the hand. And it kind of looks a bit almost like, or it almost feels like an iPhone in some ways. Oh, this one's going to be a fingerprint magnet, maybe. What is this? I don't know. That is a sick camera. Look at that. That is so clean. Is that like, I think it's triple camera. Same as the new iPhones. They are really stepping it up these days. Oh my god. And I love how it's curved on the back. Something we've had for a couple of years on some maybe Samsung prototypes. I love how it still has the headphone jack. This is also why I didn't go with the Galaxy Note 10, because it didn't have the headphone jack, and I think it was Marquise Brownlee that made a video saying why not buy the Galaxy S10 Plus instead. Same charger, very glossy. Okay, and I think it has a sensor inside of here. Yeah, like a fingerprint sensor. Up here, okay, that's where you put in the SIM card and stuff like that. So even that it's 6.4 inch, it does not feel like it. I remember Samsung Galaxy Mega, it was 6.3 inch, but this one is... That one was huge. This one does not feel like 6.4 inch. Oh my god. This is clean. Oh, wait a sec. Oh yes, this is what I need, or this is what I want. Is this wireless? No, good, it has a cable. Oh, it looks like it has this great pattern, so it probably doesn't tangle. AKG also. I think I had one of those before, and I think they're pretty good. At least better than what Samsung usually gave you. And what is this? Like a regular charger? Maybe they have some hypercharger as well. Okay, some fast charger and some adapter. And in here you basically get the cable, right? Yeah, you get the cable. Come on, get out. It's pretty hard to do this. Okay, so you have a standard cable. You know what that means? I love the size of it. Okay. Oh, this is nice. This looks nice. That is probably an epic camera. Yeah. Okay, so this is gonna be cool. So I wanted to just do a quick unboxing here, not do anything super fancy, but I like it already. Oh my god. Oh yes. Oh, this is nice. Look at how glossy it is. It feels like a refrigerator. It's an LG refrigerator or something like that. I don't know if this is going to be great in the long term because it looks like it can be fingerprint magnet, and maybe it's going to be called the Galaxy refrigerator eventually, or Samsung Galaxy freezer. Oh my god, we should put it in, I don't know, should I put it in Coca-Cola? I did it with a few. I know people like those things. Oh my god, that's so cool. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm impressed especially by the size of it. That it feels good. And I can almost reach the top. But it doesn't, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. So yeah, quick unboxing here. Let me know if you want to see something or whatever. I'm probably going to do some stuff, be creative. Yeah, oh my god, isn't that clean? Like, it looks nice. It looks very nice. I like this. I'm still amazed, like, even if you now buy a new phone every 2 years, you become so grateful because it's a phone kind of gets old pretty fast. Oh, it already has also screen protector on the front. I don't think I'm gonna take that off. Yeah, so quick unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, YouTube, DTube, Steam Blockchain. Bye bye.